How to get Spotify Premium for free. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to get Spotify Premium for free for 1 month. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. Now let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is open up Google Chrome or any web browser you have and search for Spotify Premium Free, and you will find this link right here, Listen Without Limits. Try 1 month of premium individual for 0 USD. So once you tap on it, you just have to head over to get started, or you can just view all plans. Now, if you already have done this, then you cannot do it with the same account. You'll have to use a different email. But if you haven't done it even once, then you can just use your current email. So I'm just going to continue with Google right now. So once you are logged in here, you will be able to see that your plan is premium individual and it's $0 for 1 month. And you can even cancel the subscription anytime you want. You just have to add a payment method that is preferable to you. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on credit and debit. Now, all you need to do here is enter your card number, your expiry date, your security code, and if you want to save the card for future purchase, you can just turn this one on. Or if you want to continue with PayPal, you can do that as well. Just continue through the purchase. It won't charge you anything. You don't have to worry about that. And you can cancel the subscription anytime you want. Now go ahead and tap on continue with purchase, and you should be able to enjoy the Spotify Premium for 1 month for completely free. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.